Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well out there this Saturday morning. This is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. And I just want to bring you just a little information to start your day, to start your weekend out, something to think about in reference to credit repair and getting your credit fixed. Today, I want to talk to you guys about don't close out revolving credit cards and accounts. So that's something you don't want to do for several reasons, and I'm gonna go over those with you. Okay. So the first one is my professional opinion, and my personal opinion is that I would suggest you keep the cards open because you'll lose out in three categories. Okay. So the first category is your payment history. Your payment history is 35% of your score, and that just talks about have you paid your credit on time? Have you paid your bills on time? That's your credit history. The second one is the length of credit. 15% of your score is your length of credit, and that's how long have you been using credit. And again, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. And if you're watching this video live, just type in the comments hashtag live. And if you're watching it on the replay, just type in hashtag replay. And I'll be glad to answer any of your questions that you put in the comments. The next one is your third category, which you lose points in. Excuse me, I'm just kind of like talking over myself. Is the types of credit, which is your credit mix. 10% of your score is your credit mix. So what is your credit mix? That's like if you have credit cards, if you have retail cards, student loans and mortgage, car loans. Those are all different types of loans, different types of credit that you have. Your student loans, your mortgages, and your car loan, they'll automatically close out once they're in a paid off status. So you don't have to worry about whether you want to close them out or not. And so you'll lose out in three categories if you close these accounts. So just let them ride out. I mean, that's just my 2 cents. Everybody just have their own different opinion about that. But like I said, you'll lose out in three categories if you close your cards. If you close your open revolving credit cards or retail cards, and you'll lose 35% in payment history. 15% of that is your length of credit history, and 10% of that is your credit mix. So I just want to bring that to you so you can look at your credit reports, because some people say, well, oh, I done paid this off, I want to close this off. No, you want to keep those open, especially if it's a revolving card, revolving account. But your installment accounts, like your student loans, your mortgage, or your car note, they will be automatically closed out once they get to zero balance. So again, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. Don't forget, if you're watching this live, put in hashtag live, and if you're watching this by replay, put in hashtag replay. You guys go on and enjoy your weekend. Talk to you later. Bye bye.